Hello, this is Matthew with Another World Terraria. This is going to be an unboxing of some amphibious plants which I'm going to grow in an immersed state. Let's go ahead and get into it. So these are plants that are often grown in aquariums, but they can be grown in terrariums and just in pots and so forth in an immersed state because they grow in nature in areas where they'll sometimes be exposed to the air. So they're kind of growing in like marshes or streams and all that kind of stuff. Nicely packaged, very nice. 2 Cryptocorynes. These are both aura. And I did not know this when I purchased this, but apparently this is one of the most difficult species to successfully grow. But I just thought it was so beautiful when I saw it online and I was interested in it, so I'm gonna give it a shot. And actually it looks like he gave me 3 of them, which is sweet because I ordered only 2, so that is a bonus. Nice. Cryptocoryne yujii. It's a larger species. It gets probably quite a bit bigger than this. This is Crypt beckettii. It's a nice looking plant right there. Some attractive kind of brownish foliage. I like that. And it looks like there's 2 plants in there. And I got a couple tissue culture plants. I've always wanted this plants in this genus, Eriocaulons. So those are pretty sweet. They look like grass. They're not, but they look like a kind of a grass. This is the Pogostemon helferi. So this does not look super good right now, but I'm going to grow it immersed and I'm sure it'll look a lot better. Now I've got these opened up so we can take them out of the package and I can show you up close. So this is Crypt aura. It's a lot smaller than I thought. I'm not sure how big the species gets. These are seed grown, so they're probably just younger plants, but that's a really beautiful plant. I like the shape of the leaf and the coloration, and there's some, when it gets older, I think it has a little bit of pattern on the leaves. Just mix that with some distilled water so it stays happy. Crypt yujii. This is a larger species. Got a nice looking leaf on it. Seems to be a strong plant. Crypt beckettii. It's a lot more attractive in person than I thought it would be. I got it because it was inexpensive and I want to have a wide variety of things and want to expand my collection and get some experience under my belt, and then I can collect some more rare ones. We'll see about aura if I can keep it alive, and if I can grow aura, then I'll share some information about how I grew it so that you can grow it as well. So make sure you subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any future notifications about videos. Let's move on to the Pogostemon helferi here. This one, as I said, is not the best looking. It's definitely the sort of runt of the bunch here. Eriocaulon, here we go. I'm super excited. I've wanted these for a while now. It's just finally I'm sort of in this immersed state, crypts and Eriocaulon and various things, so it was a good time to pick this up. Look at that, there's a little baby on there. Look at him. It's an interesting plant. Kind of cool, and it's got little like flower stalks on it. So I will go ahead and grow all of these, and in future videos I'll share how I grew them, what the culture was, and how things went, and then you can learn and grow your own as well. So subscribe for future videos like this, and have a great day.